Hi, I'm Ken, and I'm a grillaholic. Good morning, guys. I'm out here, and this is, wow, this morning. I don't normally film in the morning, but this is my morning look. I'm showing off my new griddle. I got the Cuisinart, this 360 griddle station, and I'm just come out here to break it in, get it seasoned up, and we're gonna cook some bacon and some pancakes, guys. That's all we're doing. And I just really want to get this thing seasoned up and get it going. And did I mention, I know nothing about cooking on a griddle, so it should be fun. Before we get too far, I want to take care of some unfinished business that goes back a few months, and I apologize. Melissa, I think her name's Melissa, over at Cooking with a Little Spice, had a little giveaways around the holidays. It's May, or almost May, so sorry. About the time my dad passed away and everything went crazy, so I haven't got around to this. But she had a little giveaway around the holidays, and I won it. And I want to show it to you, and this is important today because I'm using some of it today for the first time. When I got this grill, I didn't have any, so I didn't have to buy any when I bought the grill. So we're in good shape. But let's take a look at it. Guys, check out this griddle set. Melissa generously gave away in her giveaway. I think it was a Christmas giveaway, and I just wanted to say thank you so much. I'm overdue on this. Should have done this a while back. But if the wind's getting really bad, so I put it all over here. But it's gonna get used now, and I'm very thankful for it. It's something I did not have to buy. Also, take a look over here. This one I have been using some, and I like it. Good stuff. This is a barbecue set. She's all come with the same giveaway. Talk about lucky. I was super lucky. All gonna get used over time, I assure you. Thanks so much, Melissa. Now, I'm not much of a model here, but check this thing out. It's a 2-burner. It's a 22-inch griddle top up here, all steel. Obviously propane gas. Got a lid. Got your grill covered. You can use the smaller ones if you want. What impressed me with this griddle over some of the other ones was the size of it. And I say the size, it's got a 22-inch top, which I think is going to be good for me and my size family. But this side table, it takes up less room. Folds down, fits in the garage, takes up less space than those big square things. I don't want to knock them because I'm sure they're fine grills. But this one, I'm hoping, is going to work for me, and going to work for me learning how to use a griddle. What I like about this, it has a self-igniter. Oh, there we go. Get some discoloration here. I'm going to get this process started. Everywhere. This is hot, so I might have to grab some tongs here in a second. Let that smoke burn off a little bit, then we'll do it again. Declaring the first cook of my new Cuisinart 360 officially on. Just local store-bought bacon, guys. Oh yeah, I'm loving this already. hoping that'll help Keep my coffee warm there. Keep this over. See if I can't get this other pack of bacon on here. Yes, I know I'm cooking more than I need to, but I'll be using this bacon for other things. Guys, I'm going to turn this side off. Just use that as a warming station. Alright guys, get this off of here. I'm going to be a griddler yet. Get this off here and get some pancakes out here. I'll clean this up. Yeah. This is just some box pancake mix, so we'll see what happens. I'm not going to do a whole lot at once either. Okay, I could probably go a little higher heat because this should have already been flipping stage. Maybe I'll get me one of those fancy dispensers. Who knows? Till then, we'll do this right here. We have success. Kinda. We'll get these in, get the kids going. We'll come back and finish the rest. One final little baby one here. Go inside and get some breakfast on. I'll come back out and clean this puppy up. Wipe that down. Just a little water. Another layer of oil. Let it heat up all the way around. Should be able to push all of this on around to my drip tray. I don't think you guys need me to tell you what bacon and pancakes taste like, but it is good. And I do thank you for joining me on my first real griddle cook. So it's been fun. Educational. I definitely got a learning curve, and it's something I work on, I promise, and gonna be a lot more cooks on this, guys. I really enjoyed it. Thank you for joining me, and guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. So guys, thanks so much. We will see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye bye.